Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. It's been a while since I've done an e-file video. So yeah, I think my last nail drill video was a couple months ago, so it's due. I am well overdue for a nail drill / e-file video, and this one is from the company Natplus. It is a portable drill. I love this little handle. I love the case. Oh my gosh. I do have another drill from them. I do have another portable drill from them, but this one is supposed to be the upgraded version to that one. So let's just see how it goes. I do have a nail drill playlist, so I will link that playlist below, and then you guys can look and see all the drills that I have. Now, I do have quite a few portable drills, but this one is kind of fun and funky with the little leopard print. I think that's so cool. And then this one also goes up to 35,000 RPMs. That's pretty fast. I think most of my drills go to about 30,000, and I never exceed past 20. I never go past 20,000 RPM. So yeah, anything past 20 is kind of scary to me, but I will show you guys how fast this one goes. Like, I'll demo it for you guys so you can see, we'll just see. We'll work it out. We'll see what happens when we get that high. Does it shake? Does it explode? Does it catch on fire? I don't know. We shall see. So this is a hand piece. I like it. Silver and pink. I like it. You guys know I like pink. It's kind of cute. All right, so let's just pull that little holder out. Most hand pieces come with that little silver holder, just like a little placeholder. A lot of people say you're supposed to leave it in the drill just to protect it, make sure there's no dust that goes in there. But to be honest, I always lose mine. That's the truth, man. I lose mine all the time. So anyway, this is the hand piece. Let's plug it in. And as you can see, it fits my drill bit just fine. Just nicely, nice and tight. So that is what the unit looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. I always get new toys in and I just get so excited, so happy. Woo! All right, so here are the drill bits that came with the kit. Pretty standard. So you have the mandrel and then the arbor bands to go on. And it looks like you have medium and coarse arbor bands. At least that's what it looks like to me. And then you have some diamond drill bits at the bottom. So that's that. Let's see what we have here. Some instructions. No one's ever going to read instructions on the drill. But it's nice that they put it in there. It's nice that they put it in there. I hate reading instructions. I'm one of those. I just like to figure it out, and then that's that. All right, so here's a little card. It says, "It's official. We're friends now." Well, okay. And then look, it's a coupon code. 99% off? Are you kidding me? I'm going to go to that website. And I'm going to see, what am I getting for 99% off? Like, come on. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely going to check that out. You guys should try it too and let me know. Natplus, I hope you don't get mad at me for showing that coupon code. Don't get mad at me. Maybe they won't even watch my video. All right, so this is how you would rest the drill on your table. Just like that. So stinking cute. All right, so let's turn it on. Let's see. Let's rock and roll. So this button in the middle, it has an R and an F on it. You can't really see it, but R is for reverse. That's if you are left-handed. And then F is for forward. That's if you're right-handed. So right on the LCD screen, you can see there's an arrow going in the direction of the handpiece. So whatever direction the handpiece is going in, either forward or reverse, there's an arrow on the LCD screen to show you that. Now, I can't, like, the lights, and I just can't show you guys, but trust me, it's there. I promise, it's right there. All right, so one thing I like to do whenever I get a new drill is turn it on, and I like to turn it up and down and like play with the knobs and all that. And I like to go from forward to reverse, just back and forth. And I want to hear how it sounds. I want to make sure that it sounds relatively the same going forward that it does going reverse, because I switch back and forth. I use it in my right hand, but then I also use it in my left hand. So, okay, so look. I'm bringing it a little closer. You can see it there. So you see it? You see the little arrow when you press the R or the F? The arrow either goes to the right or the left. You see that? I hope you guys can see it. But anyway, if you can't see it, just trust me and know that it's there. I promise. So one thing I like to do with my drills, guys, when I do any type of test is turn it on, turn it off, flip it, turn it around, do all kind of stuff with it just to see what is it going to do. Because one thing you want to look for is that it's not going to vibrate in your hand. If you get a drill and it vibrates in your hand, send it back. It's trash. That's number one. Number two, if it heats up, if you just turn that thing on and you're using it and you're like 10 minutes in to filing your nails and it starts to heat up, send it back. It's trash and it's a fire hazard. So send that thing on back. So that's two main red flags. You don't want it to vibrate in your hands. You don't want it to heat up. Now, a little bit of warmth after you've been using it all day, that's relatively normal. But if you've just turned it on 10 minutes into the set and it's already hot, pack that thing up, send it back, send it back. So I built a nail here. Oh man, I took Nala apart. I took poor little Nala apart. But I built a nail on Nala. And what I want to do is file her nail just to see what this drill is going to do. So another thing that you want to look for is the torque of the handpiece. So that means when you put the handpiece on the nail, right? The drill bit makes contact with the nail. If it stops, that means the torque of the handpiece is garbage. Pack it up, send it back. Send that thing back. So that's one thing that I'm looking for. I'm making sure that's not vibrating in my hand. I'm making sure that it's not getting overheated. And I'm making sure that as I make contact with the nail, it's not stopping. So I have this drill right now set on a very low speed. It's set at 7. Okay, 7 is low and it did not stop. It did not stop at all. So now I'm turning it up. So I have it at 13, which is still low. If this thing goes from 0 to 35 and I have it on 13, I'm not even halfway, right? So it's still at a low point. So if the drill is going to stop, usually it would stop at a lower RPM and it's doing well. So thumbs up so far, Natplus. I like the design. I like the little knob in the middle. That's different. Very different. I like the little leopard print. That's very cute. The handpiece is nice and light. So far, I don't have any complaints about this drill. This is a cool drill. I'm going to add it to my Amazon storefront. So the link will be below. All you do is click my Amazon storefront link and then go to drills. When you hit the link that says drills, you will see all of my drills. So literally, guys, almost all, I want to say like maybe 90% of those drills that I have in my Amazon storefront, I either still have at my home now or I've given them away because it's just I have nowhere to store anything. So I just end up giving them away. So with that being said, guys, hint, hint, and a wink, wink, you might want to stay to the end of the video. Okay. Hint, hint, and a wink, wink. That's all I'm saying. All right, so drill is working fine, guys. Drill is working fine. This is good. This is actually a very good buy. I like it. Thank you, Natplus. Thank you so much. Cool drill. Okay, so let's go in. I'm going to turn it down. And let's go in reverse. So I have it going in the opposite direction now. And since I have the drill going in the opposite direction, I am moving my hand instead of right to left. I'm moving left to right because now I'm simulating being a lefty, right? Because it's going in reverse. So I want to move my hand in reverse. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. So now I'm going in the opposite direction just to pretend like if I was a left-handed person, how would this feel to me? And it feels good. It feels fine. It feels the same way. Like there's no difference. And lefties, it's very important, guys. It's very important for companies to cater to left-handed people. And I say that because my kids are left-handed. Okay? I have 3 children. 2 of them are lefties. My mom is a lefty. My aunts are lefties. My guy friend is a lefty. Like lefties, sometimes they get left out. And I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I'm very sensitive to lefties. I am. I really am. That's another thing. You guys found out another thing about me. Like, I'm sensitive to lefties, man. Oh, man. I have so many left-handed stories, guys. I could go on and on for days. But anyway, so I feel like I'm done filing the nail. It's all right. If this was a real person, I probably would have took some more care and time. But yeah, I just want to get the point across that the drill works great. I like it. Definitely. A thumbs up here. Is this Try It Tuesday? Yeah, it's Try It Tuesday. It's not Tuesday per se, but it's still a Try It Tuesday. So it's going to go into my Try It Tuesday playlist. I will leave that link below. I also have a playlist for my Efiles. So all my nail drills, when I test them out and things like that, I add them to my Efile playlist. I'll leave that playlist below just in case you guys want to check that out. Now here is another drill. Oh my gosh. I feel so excited to give this away. I had this drill for, I've had it for a while, at least 3 to 4 months, because I got this Air C drill the same time that I got my upright Air C drill. Look at me. Let me clean this off a little bit. It was a little smudge. But I got 2 Air C drills at the same time. This little portable one and then the tabletop one. So I kept the tabletop one. You guys have seen me use that just so many times. And I knew that I was going to give this one away, but I wanted to wait till a special date and time. So what's the best time? Like, hello, my birthday month, duh. So I'm just showing you guys that everything in here is brand spanking new, never been touched. It has everything that the drill I just showed you from Natplus. It has everything the same, well, relatively the same. It has the same little purple thing to hold the handpiece. It has the drill bits down there. It has a little plug. So pretty much they're very, very similar. So if you liked that one, I think you should really like this one. Don't enter if you don't need a drill. Like if you have a bunch of drills and stuff like that, like, you know what I mean? Like let this go to someone that really needs it, you know? Let's share the wealth, guys. Let's share. So here is the handpiece, untouched, brand new. And I'm not going to take anything completely out the box because I can't put this thing back the way they have it. So I'm not even going to play that game. I just wanted to show you guys it's brand new. Still in the bubble wrap and everything. Now, this drill is just for my first responders. You guys know I always have to do something special for my first responders. And I have had 4 giveaways so far in October, and I have not addressed my first responders. So I put a little poll on YouTube. I put a poll up, and I want to say like 95% of you said, yes, I should have my drill be given to a first responder. So I was like, okay, great. I will have that go to one of my first responders. And now this dip kit, this one is for anyone. This is a cool dip kit. And let me show you guys here. It does come with the colored instructions. Let me open it up, And this one is also brand new, not touched, anything like that. You know, I might have a couple fingerprints on it right now, but other than that, it's brand new. So you get all the liquids, including the brush cleaner, and you get all these powders at the bottom. I think this is a super cool dip kit, especially those of you who love dip, or if you've never tried dip before and you want to get into it. So perfect kit for a newbie that's trying to get into dip or an avid dip lover. I love it. I love this kit. Super cool. And I do have this Mifa dip kit. I do have probably like 3 of them. And I love them. I really do. Otherwise, I wouldn't give away something that I don't like. So this is pretty cool. So this, guys, anyone could enter to win the dip kit. Let me try to make it look as neat and new as I possibly can. This is always so hard, trying to pack it back the way they had it. But anyway, anyone could enter to win the dip kit. The drill is only for my first responders. So I'm going to count back my 19, starting from this video back, my 19 first responders and put them in a bowl. And you guys already know how I do. I do it the same all the time. Put you guys in a bowl, draw one, and send it off to you, okay? Please, guys, if you're entering for the dip kit, if you are a U.S. resident, well then just follow the rules below. If you are international, please don't enter unless you want to or you're willing to help me cover the shipping costs. Because guys, this stuff is expensive to ship, guys. And I'm shipping all the time. And I cannot afford to ship international all the time. So if you are international and you don't mind covering the shipping costs, then enter. Otherwise, please just don't enter. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, guys. So the rules for this giveaway is you have to be a subscriber. And I do check. You have to give this video a thumbs up. Come on, guys. Give me that thumb. Give me that thumb. It's just easy and free. So give me that thumb. And then you're going to comment below, Nail Crew is the best, right? And then you're going to tell me if you're U.S. or international. And then you're going to share this video. That's it. That's all you have to do. So easy, so easy. And then I will pull names. And good luck, and congratulations in advance to whoever wins. And I want you guys to keep in mind, I still have my Yoyogi Polygel kit, that big, large kit. I still have that giveaway open. So if you did not enter already, what are you waiting for? Head over to that video and enter. Good luck, and congratulations in advance to whoever wins. I will see you guys tomorrow.